Today, you're going to learn how to receive a payment in QuickBooks Online. Recording customer payments properly is an essential part of keeping your books accurate and making sure your accounts reflect the correct outstanding balances. QuickBooks gives you a clear workflow for matching payments to invoices, tracking how customers pay you, and depositing those payments into the right account. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. Once your dashboard opens, select the Create button at the top of the screen. This opens a menu of all the different transaction types you can enter. Under the Customers section, choose Receive Payment. This will take you to the payment entry form where you'll record the details of the payment you received. Begin by selecting the customer who made the payment. QuickBooks will then display all outstanding invoices for that customer. Choose the payment date and select the method they used, whether it was cash, a bank transfer, check, or a credit card. After that, choose the deposit account where the money will go. You can select undeposited funds if you plan to group payments together later, or you can choose your business bank account if the payment goes straight into the bank. In the Outstanding Transaction section, tick the invoices you want to apply the payment to. QuickBooks will automatically fill the payment amount based on what you select. Make sure the amount is correct, or update it if the customer paid a partial amount. If the customer paid more or less than the invoice total, enter the difference and choose how you want to record it. This helps you keep track of overpayments, underpayments, and credits. You can add a reference number or notes if needed, but this step is optional. Before saving, take a moment to review all the information to ensure the payment is recorded accurately. Once everything looks right, click Save and Close, or Save and New if you're entering more payments. That's it. You've now learned how to receive a payment in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.